Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock market website. First, clearly define your website's purpose and who you want to reach. Are you targeting beginners or experienced traders? Next, select a memorable domain name and a robust hosting service that can handle significant traffic. Finally, outline the core features your site will offer, such as real-time stock quotes and personalized portfolios, to ensure a strong foundation. Now, let's talk about the technical backbone. You'll need to secure a reliable API to feed your website with accurate, real-time stock market data. Consider providers offering high update frequencies. Then, choose a programming language like Python or JavaScript, along with a suitable framework, to build your site efficiently. Don't forget a robust database to manage all your user accounts and market information securely. A great user experience is crucial for a stock market website. Focus on designing an intuitive and visually appealing interface that makes complex data easy to understand. Integrate interactive charts and powerful analytical tools, allowing users to dive deep into market trends. Also, ensure your website is fully responsive, providing a seamless experience whether accessed on a desktop, tablet, or a phone with a 3.5-inch screen. Before launching, rigorously test every aspect of your website to catch any bugs or performance issues. Once live, consider various monetization strategies, such as offering premium subscriptions for advanced features or integrating targeted advertisements. Remember to continuously update and improve your site based on user feedback. Also, for those who love to read and learn on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for staying informed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.